Hello guys, welcome back once again. This is the part 2 of the chat application using WCF TCP duplex channel and also WPF desktop application. So from this bit of course we will continue from where we left off. So rather than just wasting time, we just bang on straight away. So inside our iMessage service, we're gonna add one more interface. It's a public interface, and we're gonna call it iMessage callback. Yeah. Oops. So inside, inside service contract. Yeah, this is what we're gonna do. So we get a callback contract. We set that to it's a type of iMessage callback. So the next bit, of course, is we set the session mode. So the session mode will be required. So as you can see, it's pretty simple stuff. So the next bit, of course, is we add an attribute. This will be an operation contract, and inside it is one way. We set that to true. Then we add this method, which is a void, and we say connect, and that would take in a user. So you can get it from the one we created. So this will be a user. So the next is we add another operation contract, and this is one way. This we set that to true as well, and we add a void method. This will be send message. So this will take in the message, and then next be another operation contract, and it's one way. We set this bit to false, and we say observable collection of user. In this case, users say get connected users. So as you can see, it's a very simple stuff. So the next bit is, of course, we move our iMessage callback to iMessage callback.cs. Or we could actually make it iMessage service callback. So we can just apply the rename refactoring. So inside here, we're gonna add an operation contract, and we said that it's one way to true, and then it's a void. We say forward to client in the sense of forwarding message to the client. So this, of course, will be a message So we've got another one. It's an operation contract. This will be it's one way. We set that to true as well, and will be, of course, a void, and we say user connected or users connected, wherever the case, and it's an observable collection of user. We say users. So as you can see, it's pretty simple stuff now. So now we're done with the contracts bit. Yeah, we add a new project, and of course this will be a .NET console application. C#.NET console application. We're just gonna call it a chat app dot service. So as you can see, it comes nice and simple. So here we're gonna add a new class. It's a public class, and we call it message service. And here we will move it to message service.cs, and we will inherit the iMessage, service that we created. iMessage service. So we check if we can find a reference here. So as you can see, it's inside the chat app the contract. So we can reference it and implement the missing members. So here, now we've got the missing members implemented. We added a top attribute on top of the class, and we say a service. We set the service behavior. I'm just gonna add a reference manually here, so we could just check the recent. So we just added a bit here, so that's fine. So now we've got it added, we could just add a service behavior attribute. So we can set the service behavior attribute. So we set the concurrency mode to concurrency mode.multiple. Then we instance contest mode. And we set that to instance contest mode dot single. So that's all we will need for that side, and everything should be fine. So I'm just gonna, okay, so I've actually put that at the wrong side, sorry. So you make sure you put it on top of the class. So that's fine now. So the next bit is we add a couple of fields here. The first bit, of course, is a private iMessage service callback. So this will be our callback, and we set that to null. The next bit is a private observable collection user, and we could say users. And then we've got one more. This would be also a private dictionary, and it will take a string and the iMessage callback, iMessage service callback, and this will be our clients. So we add a constructor, and we initialize the users, and as well as the clients. New dictionary. Oh, it's a read-only dictionary. I'm just gonna make it just a normal dictionary. So this will be a new dictionary. So that should be fine now. So now we come inside and add some stuff to the methods. So we So we set the get connected users to the get connected users. We return our users. So the next bit, of course, is connect. So we're gonna work with this bit here, the connect, but that will be on the next video. So the next video will be, of course, part 3. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do subscribe, and we just bang on the next video straight away. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.